Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul is staring at Adani Ports. It just had a massive rally from 800 to 900 in 2 weeks. Now the stock is pulling back slightly. 890, 880, 870. His gut says sell, the rally is over. But the chart is telling a completely different story. This pullback is not weakness. It is a flag. And flags do not signal reversals. They signal continuation. The next leg is about to begin. Rahul spots the flag pattern. A flag pattern is a continuation pattern. It appears after a sharp, strong move in one direction. The sharp move is called a pull. Then the stock pauses, consolidates, and pulls back slightly. That small consolidation looks like a flag hanging from a pole. The key insight is this. The flag is not a reversal. It is a rest. The trend is catching its breath before running again. Traders who see a flag and think the move is over are the ones who get left behind. Two parts make a flag pattern, the pole and the flag. The pole is a sharp, almost vertical price move on high volume. Buyers are aggressive. Momentum is powerful. Then volume starts to decline. Price drifts sideways or pulls back slightly. This is the flag. The flag forms on declining volume because sellers are weak. They cannot push price down significantly. When volume returns and price breaks out of the flag, the next leg of the trend begins. A bull flag appears in an uptrend. The pole goes up sharply. Then price consolidates in a slight downward channel. It looks like a small rectangle tilting down. The key is the channel is shallow. The pullback is small relative to the pole. If the stock rallied 100 points, the flag might pull back 20 or 30 points. Not 50, not 60. A shallow pullback on declining volume. That is the bull flag. A bear flag is the mirror image. It appears in a downtrend. The pole goes down sharply. Then price consolidates in a slight upward channel. A small bounce. But the bounce is weak. Declining volume. No real buying conviction. When a stock breaks below the flag, the downtrend continues. Bear flags are just as powerful as bull flags. Same pattern, opposite direction. Continuation after a pause. Adani Ports. The pole. Price rallied from 800 to 900 in 2 weeks. Strong buying, heavy volume. A 100-point move straight up. Then the flag begins. Price drifts from 900 to 870 over 5 sessions. A pullback of just 30 points. 30 points against a 100-point pole. Shallow pullback. Volume is declining during the flag. Sellers are not aggressive. This is textbook. The flag is forming perfectly. Day 6 of the flag. Adani Ports opens flat at 872. By noon, buying picks up. Volume starts surging. The stock pushes through 880, then 890, then 900. It breaks above the top of the flag channel on heavy volume. This is the breakout. Volume confirms it. Price confirms it. The flag pattern is complete. The continuation move has begun. The flag pattern trade. Entry above the flag channel at 905. Stop loss below the flag low at 865. Risk is 40 rupees per share. Target is the pole height added above the breakout point. The pole was 100 points from 800 to 900. At 100 points above the breakout. Target 970. Reward 65 rupees. Risk to reward nearly 1 to 1.6. Rahul buys 25 shares. Adani Ports does exactly what the flag pattern predicted. After the breakout, it rallies from 900 to 940, then 950, then 965. Rahul exits at 965, just below his target. Profit 60 rupees per share. 25 shares times 60 rupees. 1,500 rupees. The flag pattern delivered. Continuation after a pause. Just like the textbook said. Rahul's flag pattern rules. 1. The pole must be sharp and on high volume. 2. The flag must be a shallow pullback on declining volume. 3. The flag should retrace less than 50% of the pole. 4. Entry on breakout above the flag with volume. 5. Stop below the flag low. 6. Target equals pole height added above the breakout point. 7. If the flag retraces more than 60%, it is not a flag. Walk away. Flags are the market catching its breath. Not every pause is a reversal. Sometimes the trend just needs to rest before running again. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.